channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hello, big up yourself, thank you for returning. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. I hope you stick around and I hope you are enjoying these fragrance reviews videos, because you know a girl has found a new hobby and whatever. So just before I start this video, I just want to say please do not mind these breakouts. I don't know what's going on, it's none of my business. God, go and deal with it, because I just cannot. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into this wonderful video. So in today's video, I will be reviewing this bad boy. I always call perfume bad. Okay, not bad boy, but I'll be reviewing this fragrance. It is I Want Choo by Jimmy Choo. Listen, I have a love for Jimmy Choo fragrances. I've had a few and I'm going to obviously show you guys, you know, but I'm just taking my little time to introduce the fragrance collection and whatever. So this is I Want Choo by Jimmy Choo, and I have I think 3 other fragrances by him, and let me tell you, he does not miss. Jimmy Choo does not miss. I don't know what kind of team he has, but his team does not miss. So I'm introducing I Want Choo. This was first launched in 2020. However, some people say it was 2021, but I've done my due diligence. Okay, it was 2020 that it first came out, and this is such a light and summery fragrance. I absolutely love the way it smells. Like, you know me, I'm a bit of a fruity girl, so anything fruity, anything light, that's me. I don't really like too much of a strong fragrance. Don't get me wrong, I do have a few strong fragrances, but they're not like, I don't have too many. Most of my fragrances have to smell quite light, and it has to remind me of like the tropics or the Caribbean, or like something nice and airy and out there, right? So that is Jimmy Choo. But yes, let's get into the specifics. So first of all, let's speak about the price range. Now it comes in 3 different sizes. The one that I'm showcasing here is the 40 ml, so it retails at £47. I know it's on the pricier edge, but trust me, it's definitely worth every single penny. Then you have the 60 ml, which I'm not too sure how much that retails at, but I do know the 40 ml retails at £47. That is in Boots, and that is also in the fragrance shop. And then the 100 ml, that retails at £87 in both Boots and the fragrance shop. So with that kind of price tag, price line, pricing, you know you're getting a good perfume. And this is Ella perfume, it's not a toilet, so you know it's going to be long lasting. Like when I spray it, you can smell it for a very long time. So say is that this perfume will have you smelling good for a few hours good. Like it does last very long, and it's not, as I said before, it's not a strong fragrance, but it's a very lasting fragrance, right? So that's the pricing. The top notes in this fragrance are peach and Marindan orange. Now that is a very not a citrusy, but a very fruity, a very summery, a very light, but kind of you smell it, like you know it's there. Do you know what I mean? So it's it opens up quite nicely. I do like the peach and the orange scent that you get from it. Citrusy, like citrusy scents remind me of like breakfast, the opening of the day, happiness, go lucky, like beautiful scent. So that's the top note. The lily note is then jasmine and red lily, so that's more like a floral, soft scented fragrance kind of smell. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? So yeah, that's the middle notes. You have your jasmine and you have your lily, so those are both floral notes, so very soft and light on the nose. I do love it. And the base note, let's get into the base note, because your girl is all about this this scent, all about this kind of fragrance, vanilla. Now I don't know if you ever smelled vanilla before, but vanilla as a fragrance or vanilla as a scent, that is so Julsz. I love vanilla body oils. Like my own business, we have a vanilla body oil because I just love the scent of vanilla. I have a vanilla mist that I always spray when I'm going to bed, because it just puts me to sleep. It's very soft and subtle, but you know you smell something that's good. Anything vanilla, like the only thing I don't like in vanilla, I cannot, like it has to be really good for me to actually enjoy a vanilla ice cream. apart from that, I don't like vanilla ice cream. I don't know what it is, but vanilla ice cream is just not for me. But vanilla fragrance, vanilla scent, like 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Like, give me vanilla and I'm cool. Vanilla bath bomb, vanilla body oil. I just love vanilla. So if you are a vanilla girl like me, this fragrance is definitely for you, because it opens up with your fruity scent, then you smell that floral scent, then you have that vanilla, which is a bit more like woody, musky. I don't know if that's what it's called, but the vanilla just adds that oomph. Like, it's like, oomph, girl, we are here, we have arrived. Okay, so that's how it actually smells. Yeah. So I would say it's definitely a feminine fragrance. Not saying that men can't use it. Obviously, men can do whatever they want to do. But for myself, I would think that more females would wear it because of how light and fruity and very, it gives more of like a boss babe kind of vibe. Do you know what I mean? So that's why I would think it's more for females to wear. But as I said, anyone can wear it. But just bear in mind that it does give a feminine vibe. You know what I mean? It's a very feminine perfume. So this perfume has been ranked with smelling similar with Good Girl by Christina Pellela, Coach Dream Sunset by Coach. Now I do have Good Girl, and I don't think it smells like Good Girl, but that is what they're saying. It smells similar to those fragrances. Whether it does or not, I can't actually agree, because I don't think they really do smell. I don't think it smells like Good Girl. Good Girl has a very, very mature, sexy scent. This is more like you're a young adult, you've just got your corporate job, you're just going into the world of work, like, but you want people to notice you and say, she smells really good. So let's speak about where you can get Jimmy Choo. I Want Choo. It's available in Boots, the fragrance shop, the perfume shop, Amazon and eBay, and Perfume X. It's quite it's available everywhere basically. So if you do want to give it a try, then you'll definitely find it. Like, it's not one of them perfumes where you have to literally go digging for. It's there, like, it's ready to be sold. It's just there, and I would say you definitely need to buy it. So let me rate this fragrance out of 10. So I would rate this fragrance if I'm gonna be fair, maybe an 8.5. The reason why I wouldn't rate it a 10, I believe it's due to the pricing. It is on the pricier edge, and you know we're all about saving coins this year, right? Because them energy bills, honey, they are dangerous. So I would rate it at 8.5. I believe it could start from like maybe £32 upwards, but the 47 price mark is a little bit pricey. So I would say maybe wait for a sale, or wait for just wait for a sale, and definitely smell it before you buy it, because obviously you might not like the whole peach, mandarin orange, vanilla, jasmine and red lily kind of vibe. But if you like the kind of fruity, floral, that kind of scent, then definitely I would say this purchase is definitely for you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my little review about I Want Choo, okay, by Jimmy Choo. I really hope you've enjoyed it. I absolutely love the design of the bottle. Now I kind of think that's why the pricing is so expensive, because let's get into details. Like, that says Jimmy, so there's a J and a C, and it comes off the bottle, so it's like it lifts off the surface of the bottle, and then on the J it says Jimmy Choo. Now that's very unique. And obviously the spray spout, I don't know what you call this, but this bit of the spray, like, it's round. You don't really see much. It looks like a magnifying glass. It looks like someone's looking at you, like they want to make, like, just wants to make love to you. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's a little intimate. Like, I like it, I really do like it. And then you have the gold embroidery around it saying Jimmy Choo. Like, it's all about the branding, it's all about the color scheme. And if you can see, there's like a peachy, like a slight hint of peachy color to the actual fragrance. You know, like, look, can you see? It is a little bit peachy. So I think the design team definitely went 110% on this bad boy. So that is why I think it is quite expensive. But that does it. Like, everyone's trying to save some money. Let's just help everyone save the coin. So Jimmy Choo, if you watch this, or if any of your representatives watch my video, you know, you can sponsor me, but I do think you need to put it down a little bit, right? But apart from that, it's a wonderful fragrance. It's absolutely amazing. It smells good, it's long lasting, and trust me sis, like once you have one of Jimmy Choo's fragrances, you want to collect the whole of his fragrances, because he does not miss. He does not miss. And that comes to the end of our video today. I really hope you've enjoyed our video. I know it was quite short, but there wasn't really much to say because the perfume kind of speaks for itself. So this was a very short and spicy and sexy review. I do hope you go ahead and buy the fragrance. If you've got the fragrance, let me know below what you think of it. And also let me know what other videos you'd like me to do regarding fragrances, or what kind of fragrances you'd like me to review. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourself and God bless you. Love on a long time. If you're new here, please stick around, subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, big up yourself. You know what we say over here? We have a good time all the time, baby. And on that note, I will see you in my next video. Bye.